Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, XRP finally had a crazy freaking day. It's been a good while, but finally guys, we had some price action, and to be honest with you, it is perfectly following our expectation. I am not even kidding guys. Exactly what we have been saying has happened. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But today we're going to be covering that plus a lot of other crypto news, guys. So make sure that you press that like button. It helps the channel out. And I've told you guys, if on one of these videos we can get to 2,222 likes, I'll be giving away $250 worth of XRP to somebody. So we'll keep that going until one of the times which we hit it, because I've already put the money aside. So make sure you press the like button and let's get crack-a-lacking. Now, actually, I want to know, guys, are you stacked up on your cryptos? Like, yes or no? Let me know in the comments section down below. All right, so about the XP price, It's rather funny. A lot of the articles which I've been reading are saying, well, the legal battle has shifted. Ripple is looking so good right now. It looks like the SEC is going to lose, and thus the XRP price is pumping. I find that rather difficult to really assume or to kind of confirm, let's say. Why? Well, because the setup for altcoins was clear. The setup for Bitcoin was clear. Everything was clear. I don't really know if it was the lawsuit, basically, that was the determining factor for the price here. So in terms of altcoin market cap, we've been shouting that we had a big bullish flag, right? See the flagpole, we got the flag, which is a continuation pattern. It shows that we have a calm down period in a bigger bull run. And now it's continuing back on forward. That was for altcoins, which again usually is based upon Bitcoin, which broke out of the major. I'm not sure if it's triangle or just descending trend line. Yeah, it's descending trend line basically. You can see the major descending trend line it broke out of with some confirmation, which I told you guys we should buy. If you didn't buy the red candle, I'm not really sure exactly what you are up to. However, we already actually bought in right there with that breakout, because I already told you guys I am basically going long right there on Bitcoin with a stop loss basically put to entry, because I already thought we were going to pump, but I didn't know, of course, that we're going to pump this much. And right now, Bitcoin is basically confirmed. Altcoins are basically confirmed. And now XRP has finally retested the top of the symmetrical triangle. And I'm kind of wondering exactly how it's going to flow from here. Logically speaking, we should go and test downwards a little bit if we cannot breach it, if we did not get a proper close or anything like that. Then again, the fact alone that we were so bullish on the short term already makes me just freaking excited, guys. Makes me so freaking excited. And why didn't I post any videos yesterday? Because I was being happy. Just gonna be honest with you. I was being happy. I was feeling good. So sometimes no update, even though the price was doing crazy. But hey, guys, know that I was definitely enjoying it, at least. Now, on the sides, on the sideline, this was our trading setup, our last trading setup. And I even told you guys when explaining it to you, we basically are going to buy this breakout, right? Which was the breakout of about the $1.08 or so area. We did. Now, I don't think I actually bought this precisely, because I told you guys I was too late because I wasn't watching. So I think I bought it quite a significant amount later. So I didn't have the perfect setup here for my own personal trade. However, we basically bought in with the anticipation that we're either going to sell just a little bit below the first basically resistance line and the second. But I told you guys I think we would have to sell about half here and then half there, which is kind of funny because we actually hit a little bit below the perfect, I guess, next resistance line. And the story with that, by the way, guys, is I didn't change anything, all right? I actually wanted to kind of extend the long here, but I was like, you know what? I told you all, I will never change something about the trading view or the Bybit charts that is not in a video, to make sure that I can always exactly know what we talked about last time, basically. And our last talk was half sell there, half sell there. It's kind of funny how that came in quite nicely as well. Of course, most preferable would be that we sold everything right there at the top, but that is kind of difficult. Again, guys, this is over on Bybit, which is the exchange that I use. And I also have a link down below for a 50,000 XRP Bybit competition. We have 9 more days to go. You have 9 more days to enter. Sign up. A link is down below. And guys, you must have 250 XRP in your account. And you must trade for at least $100 worth once the competition starts. And it's going to start in a couple of hours from now. It's going to start tomorrow morning. Be there or be square. I am telling you guys, join this competition. The more people we get, the more money that you guys will be getting. It is freaking worth it, guys. I am telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Then to kind of come back on the previous point, which is, has the lawsuit got any effect? Well, I would like to state that from some perspective, it kind of does. Because, well, the lawsuit is doing so extremely bullish that people are obviously just more and more kind of, excited to be hoarding or getting into XRP. Logically speaking, right? I mean, at least I would buy more XRP knowing that the lawsuit is kind of coming to a close rather than it being very uncertain. You're being insecure, if you guys get what I'm trying to say, and that you basically don't know who's the better party, so to speak. And the fact that, for example, we covered it yesterday, the SEC can be caught lying to the judge right now, and the fact that the judge even granted some more of the investigative request that Ripple has, it's all just good stuff, guys. And then another part is that John Deaton's, uprising has hit 38,000 people right now as well. It's just going fast. It's going hard, and things are looking good, if you ask me, guys. Let's put it like that. Things are looking good. So from that perspective, I can understand if people were actually picking up. Then again, I don't think that this move was solely decided by the legal parts. Okay, some other crypto news. Whales move 6 trillion sheep to an unknown wallet. Perhaps Elon Musk? It's kind of funny, huh? Whale moves over 6 trillion sheep a few days before the ship's latest price surge. Just a few days ago, sheep's price went up by 250%. Could the whale have sold to Elon Musk? I'm not sure if anybody sold to Elon Musk, but to be honest with you, I am kind of confused as to who bought such a huge $50 million worth of Shiba and made a huge return on it in the next couple of days. Like, who could have known, and what was the plan? Was the plan, okay, we buy for $50 million worth, that will make people excited again, will make people buy as well, and we'll make money? Or was it a big whale who just wanted to get Shiba? Was it Elon Musk buying $50 million worth because he knew if he put up the picture of the dog, the price would skyrocket? What could it have been? Because I'm thinking, if that was really the case, then he would have bought $50 million worth, or maybe even $100 million, or I don't know, $1 billion worth. You guys get it. And then basically talk about Shiba, like literally instead of Floki, because he had a pic of a Shiba Inu dog, but the name was Floki right there. I think he could have promoted it better if he really wanted to. We don't really know, right? But it could be that he has has something to do with it. I'm not going to deny that or try to deny that. And of course, guys, I'm very, very cautious with Shiba right now. I still hold my coins. We made a very, very good profit with that. I cannot lie to you guys. I can also not deny that it's been a crazy journey, and I'm going to stick with it to the bitter end. But as it currently stands, I am not buying any more Shiba. I am not buying any Shiba dips, and I can't really tell people to actually do that or try that, as I just think it's a really risky endeavor. You know, Shiba is one of those coins which might do extremely well. It might just surpass all expectations, but it also might kind of come down with the storm if Bitcoin starts to move downwards a little bit again, because these coins are more hyped up. So they do really well in a big bull run, or when things are exciting. But when things do bad, and when the fear and greed index basically goes really low, these types of coins are also the first ones which people sell, usually. And then Ethereum network growth shows massive spike. Here are the reasons. Ethereum price and network data are growing together, which might be the beginning of a strong trend. Now, I would say that one of the Ethereum proposals from earlier, the making Ethereum, what is it called now again, guys? Deflationary. There we go. I was like, couldn't come up with the word. Again, guys, I am not a native English speaker. Cut me some slack. That was actually one of the biggest deals for Ethereum in the medium term. The fact that right now they're being investigated, though, because, I mean, guys, people are investigating Ethereum over these SEC claims, right? There's no way that nobody's doing something with them. That fact makes me sometimes unsure whether or not I should be this bullish on Ethereum or should talk about it this much, because even though I am a pretty big bull, I hold a lot of Ethereum, and I do think that the coin has a lot of good prospects in the sense that it has a lot of potential in just becoming the best platform, or at least staying it because it's already number one. I'm just sometimes not sure if this SEC lawsuit, which is about to commence, is going to basically mess everything up. And so even though all the numbers are doing amazing, the network is growing like crazy, this, that, does that have something to do with the fact that they got some preferential treatment or not? I mean, let's say, for example, that Ethereum was taken at face value in the way that it is actually a security because, well, they had a crowd sale, basically. They admit that. It's been years ago. And if we follow the parameters, which have also been shown to Ripple, it's just not logical, to me at least, for them to just walk off scotch-free. Or if they really think, it changed from being a security to non-security, then, they should tell us, basically. As it currently stands, though, guys, let's just kind of conclude it. I'm a little bit hesitant as to how much I should like Ethereum, purely on the basis that it might really mess us up if the SEC starts to change their mind, as I don't really think Gary Gensler actually thinks Ethereum is fine. It's just some other members in the SEC. Then again, the Ripple lawsuit will bring all of this stuff to light, which is why I'm always a little bit hesitant to talk about Ethereum. Then again, guys, I hold it like crazy because it is still the biggest platform out there right now for anything, for DeFi, NFTs, anything. So, yeah. All right, guys, that was it for today's video. Make sure you check out the Bybit competition. A link is down below. And yeah, see you guys again in another one later today.